Hi, this is Mike DelSignore. I'm in Nantucket awaiting court today for a client of mine that got arrested after being here on vacation. So if you ever get arrested for DUI or OUI as we call it in Massachusetts in Nantucket, keep in mind these cases are very winnable cases. I've handled these cases all over Massachusetts. I've been out in the islands several times, Nantucket, Martha's Vineyard, and in Massachusetts, an OUI charge, it's different from in other states. If you refuse the breathalyzer, our juries don't get to know about that. In other words, they're not told that if you refuse, they can consider that as evidence. In fact, they're told just the opposite. There can be no inference. It doesn't come into evidence that you refused. Some other things that are different in OUI in Massachusetts versus in other states is that we don't use what they call the Horizontal Gaze Nystagmus, the HGN test. That doesn't come into evidence in Massachusetts. So if you're familiar with the laws, say in New York or Rhode Island or anywhere else, the laws in Massachusetts are a little more favorable, and I think they allow for a fairer trial than in some other states. So if you happen to be here and get arrested, keep in mind you can likely win the case, or you have a good chance of winning the case if you fight it. If you take a breath test, we can try to get that excluded from evidence. You'll lose your license for 30 days, but after 30 days you'll get your full license back. Also keep in mind that if you admit to an OUI and you're not from Massachusetts, your home state will still take action as if you got arrested in your own state. So it affects you not only in Massachusetts, but it could affect your license in Connecticut, New York, Rhode Island, wherever you're from. So hopefully you don't have a bad experience coming to Nantucket, but if you do, feel free to contact me. My name is Michael DelSignore. Handle OUI cases out of the Nantucket District Court. Be happy to help you. Thank you.